Let's talk about the hottest new technology in breast augmentation, Preservé. Why do we call it Preservé? Two simple reasons. We're preserving the muscle and we're preserving the internal ligamentous structure of the breast. In doing so, we're able to do your breast augmentation under local anesthesia with sedation, so you don't need to go all the way to sleep for surgery. We're able to get you back to the swing of things and recovered much faster. And perhaps most importantly, we're able to control much more precisely where we place the volume of a breast augmentation. So many women come in and they say, hey, I just wish I had a little bit more fullness here. In a traditional breast augmentation, we have to use a fairly sizable implant that covers the entire breast in order to achieve that volume and fullness up at the top. With Preservé, because we're preserving the ligaments of the breast, we're able to use a much smaller implant, so less weight on your chest, and place it preferentially where you need the volume in the upper inner portion so that we get great fullness, great cleavage without the same volume as we would with a traditional breast augmentation. How does Preservé breast augmentation work? We make a very tiny incision underneath the breast. We preserve the internal ligamentous structure of the breast, and we use a little balloon that we insert right up towards the upper inner portion of the breast. We inflate the balloon just like this, which creates a bloodless space for our tiny breast implant. Then we deflate the balloon, pull it out, and insert, using a special funnel, our breast implant into the upper inner portion of the breast, giving us some nice fullness there, even though we're using a much smaller implant. We're preserving the ligamentous structure of the breast and preserving the muscle with Preservé. All of that means two things. One, we're gonna get you back to the swing of things much faster. And number two, we can accomplish the surgery without using general anesthesia, so just local anesthesia plus sedation. If you're interested in learning more about Preservé, drop us a comment below. Check out my Instagram, RealDrO, or check us out at northtexasplasticsurgery.com. Thanks.